Okay, this is Weather Outlook. I'm updating this around 6 o'clock on Wednesday, June 11th. And once again, we had some nice weather. We'll have probably a little bit more tomorrow, but come the weekend, here we go again. Now, these are your temperatures around 6 o'clock, and you can see Pittsburgh and then the I 95 corridor into Jersey and Delaware are in the lower 80s. Elsewhere, basically somewhere in the 70s. Down by Reading and Allentown, mid to upper 70s. Even up in the valleys up in Northeast and then down through heading down towards Danville, Sunbury, temperatures are in the mid to upper 70s. The mountains are in the lower 70s. That's kind of what we got right now. We don't have any precipitation. I'll show you that in a second here. Um, there's your radar map, and as you can see, pretty clear. So today was a fairly decent day for everybody. Now Thursday, the 12th, as you can see, it's another warm or almost hot one down here on the I-95 corridor. We have mid to upper 80s, all the way back towards Berks and Allentown, and towards Lancaster, Harrisburg, New York. Temperatures middle 80s, so pretty nice. If you're heading down the shore, temperatures are in the 70s. Right along the water, 80s inland. Same thing down in Delaware. The only reason it's colder in the upper part of the state, or not as hot in the upper part of the state, temperatures are in the mid 70s to around 80. It's because some clouds have come across, and this is in the afternoon. This is around 5 o'clock. And if you look up here, you can see a few sprinkles and showers, and then you can see something trying to organize here east of Williamsport, west of Wyoming Valley and Scranton. Then you can see it very quickly. This is 6 o'clock. It's popped up a line of thunderstorms here, stretching basically from North Jersey across here through Pikes County and then over towards Scranton that way and then out towards the west. And it kind of pops up. There could be some severe ones involved there. This takes you to around 8 o'clock in the evening. And as you can see, they're pretty much done in PA and they're now moved into North Jersey. And then they're off and gone by 9 o'clock at night. And you're just kind of left with the sagging front here as you go through the nighttime hours and with some sprinkles and some showers involved. This is Friday morning around 1 a.m. and then this takes you out to Friday. Let's see, we get this to about 7 o'clock in the morning. And you can see some showers, basically sprinkles, drizzles, showers across some parts of the state. Now, this is the temperatures around 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. You can see the lower 80s. It's not in the upper 80s anymore towards the southeast and south central and out even out by Pittsburgh. It's only in the upper 70s to the low 80s. And part of the problem with that is that's about all you're going to get, is we have a little bit of rain moving in. And these are some showers out here ahead of it and drizzle. And then you have some thunderstorms trying to get started out here in southwestern PA. And if you look down here at southern Delaware, they got a doozy going on down here. And again, this is around let's see here. This is around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We move this a little further ahead. You can see they start to pop up. This takes you to around 6 o'clock in the evening on Friday, and you can see some thunderstorms mixed in with some moderate to light rain across there, and it will move kind of erratically, not as strong around 8 o'clock in the evening, but then as you can see up towards the north central and it's heading to the northeast around 10 o'clock, showers are broken back out. There could be some heavier downpours, even a thunderstorm. And then out here in western PA, you got some showers moving through, and basically overnight, Friday night into Saturday, it's hit or miss showers here and there, maybe even a thunderstorm. This takes you to around 9 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Yep, guess what? Some rain showers, especially central part of the state around this time. Some showers elsewhere. And as we move this into the afternoon hours, they move to the east. They're in southeastern PA around noontime, 1 o'clock, and they're in Jersey and up here towards Wilmington. You can expect some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm involved in this. And as we go further on, you can see this moves offshore Jersey, but then in the afternoon around 5, we have some more thunderstorms breaking out here in central PA. And you can see that they're now scattered along here. There's some rain scattered out here. So, basically Saturday's basically shot, when it comes to rain. You could probably do things in between, but you always got to be aware some showers can be happening. This is Saturday afternoon around 6 o'clock. You can see behind it, temperatures have climbed back to the lower 80s. Up ahead of it, temperatures in the Poconos are in the 50s and 60s elsewhere along here. So gone. So you went from the upper 80s and now you're in the lower to mid 60s here during the day on Saturday. Kind of chilly. I mentioned about the shore, water temperatures off the shore are kind of cold. Um, not really swimmable for most. Kids don't mind it. There's a lot of things to do along the Jersey coast, which was pointed out to me, and I agree. But it's just a little chilly. And I was thinking about swimming is when I was making my comment. And then on Sunday, if you're looking for temperatures, you can see the northern part of Pennsylvania low to mid 70s. The southern half of Pennsylvania mid to upper 70s. Could even be an 80 thrown in for good measure. Down in Delaware, temperatures vary from the mid 70s to the middle 80s inland. And in Jersey, the same thing. Lower 70s probably along the coast, and upper 70s to near 80 away from the coast in southern Jersey. So that's kind of what you got there. And yeah, do you want to know the precipitation? This is just simulated. It's a little far out, but that's just simulated for the day. So cloud cover and some showers also on Sunday. All right, everybody take care. I will update this tomorrow. Take it easy.